Zaga zaga zana. Hush. I watch me come for watching them 60 years. You see me put on my sweatsuit, I don't put on my suit. So you know my thing, girl. My artist man alive. You know my thing, girl. But I'm gonna sing for you.
One taste. One little piece.
I'm in a business.
Yeah.
If I even 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Jump it. Everybody put on the light. Turn on the light now. Anybody on the light, just don't turn it on. But everybody just wait for the one here and sing. Sing this. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Marcia, sim. I'm in a rush. Oh my, na. Simba. Hush. Can somebody say, oh na. Oh na. Somebody say, oh no. Oh brrr, mama. That's what I said. Simba. Hush, please. I tell myself I don't want nobody else. You are my, I love you. But that day when she leave and she gone, I know that girl's dead. Now all the girls of them come, all the girls of them some. The whole of them want this. But I told you that I am the. I know they can them surround me and the girls of them. Everybody we have a light in the ears. Hey, who got the keys to the bima?
Alright, people. Hey, give it up.
Mama, hush. You know some love you. Hush. The queen, I forget, cannot work without the king of dancer. So, me did half a day. I watch the show here. I wanna call me up and involve me in the business.
We know you love it still.
No, you're my mother. Remember, I'm a mother. Everybody call her auntie. She is the mother of love.
Yeah.
The only woman we know for sure every youth in the business what love is. I know say you have to build that. I know say you have to love the music. Give a round of applause to Mama Marcia, please. That's it. The seriousness of life? Yeah. I buy my first place. I'm on the left side of Marcia. See me? That's where Marcia live. And then I go over there. She never shun me. She never run me away. She welcome.
We love you.
Can I give a round of applause to this woman?
We love you. All we love you.
Love you, darling.
Enough love.
Blessings.
Yeah. And the saga continues in the decade of the 2000. Right now we got international. Yeah, peer international star we have, you know. Right now, put your hands and heart together. This brother, let me tell you something. When you talk about human, we can't even begin to tell you the amount of things when we can stand up here and testify for this brother. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands and your heart together for Shaggy! Hey!
Mr. Lover, lover. I'm Mr. Lover, lover. Mr. Lover, lover. Since the young cover, she call me Mr. Boom. Send me fantastic. Nothing on me, but she says I'm Mr. Lover. Mantic, send me fantastic. She tickle on me, but she says I'm Mr. Boom, boom, boom. Tell her smooth, just like a silk. Soft and cuddly, you play up like a quilt. I'm a lyrical lumber. Now take me finger. Pull up. What going on, girl? What going Jamaica? I'm saying, master thing, watch I know. You big a tune in my youth. The thing you say, Fletcher. And put up my drinks. Now, son, the kids are nice and decent girls. Treat her like diamonds and pearls. Dedicated to the wonderful ladies from around the world. Now, it's a Beenieman Shaggy with a combination. We can't miss a flip this. My musical this to make you jump and twist. When you can't help me sing. When you can't help me sing. Sing, sing. So what? Closer than mine. Shorty, you're mine. Hey, girl, you're mine. Yo. Life is one big party when you're still young. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you're little up there. Fun can't be your boots on. What about the long run? Looking back short to your ways of mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was here to my incarceration. I wanna show the nation. Sing! What? Closer than mine. Hey! Sing! Girl, you're my angel. Sing! Girl, you're my Let's show you. Hey, they can't sing going on. Give me another tune, man. Marcia, I will party so I go quick. I'm son the kids are nice and girls. Everybody put your hand in the air, so. Everybody put your hand in the air. Every hand in the air now. Everybody hand in the air. Let me see how the way goes up. Oh, hey, oh. My time. So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is up. I can't hear it up. Where my ladies at? Yeah. Picture if you would what life would be. It ain't much good without. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. She's the constant wind that fills my sail. Oh, black woman. Marcia. Wanna see from her? With her style and her smile. She'll protect you like a child. Marcia is that woman. Everybody put it on the air, sing piano, everybody here. She'll put a smile on your face. Yeah, and take you to a higher place. Yeah. Girl, don't you want to rest and play? Let me hear it now, sing. All my ladies, make some noise, scream. Sit up. Marcia, let me tell you something, a little small story. Cause we have some big surprise for you later on into. My first time touring, I think this was 1993. I was in Japan Splash. My very first Japan Splash. I think Coach did the and I showed it to everybody.
Yeah.
And that was my first tour. You know why Marcia is still so relevant to this day? Because she embraces young talent to the youths. And she treated me so well. Of course, we did have fun out because I'm Marcia Griffiths. I was like, but you've always been that. You keep your finger on the pulse of everything. And you're still that person. And no matter which way I go, we do it.
True.
So put your smile upon your face. Marcia right now. Oh, that's alright. Big up to the band. But they can't help me sing again. No, they can't help me sing again. They say, put the can't sing it loud for me. Alright, sing. I know. Alright, sing. Honey came in and she coming. I can't hear you. Picture this. How could I? All this time she was. Oh, you could get to home and access to your villa. Just as on your ring, Miss Holly, you clean your villa. You better watch out before she turn into a. Listen to the situation that you come up. To the actual player, you never hope and play. She say you like her, piece of say you live. You better have that little to rub her when she. And she tell me, so tell her, baby, no way. Sing! It was, don't be banging on. It wasn't. It wasn't. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. What y'all just sing for me now? Sing. Honey came